Mahila Pradesh Mahila Congress hakat woitru kelalingkot aracara punrio kelakin thoting yaka sorkar NDA belailam dag BJP halo kejingpen kelakerteng ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme shaka Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission. Vb-Gramg kelat patai kubor ke Presiden Jong Mahila Pradesh Mahila Congress ke Kong Joplin Scott Shilla kelaong ba ke Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme ke pentikna baboro ke nong shongnong hapo keri India kini yo ke kam kajam bat ke kam pendroi sikishnong nong kendong hindai kat ba ke Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission ke sorkar pedeng kanra kat bamon bat ru kipat ba kinom yo alat Shuh pan kam.
We have seen and we have heard everywhere how the Modi government is attacking the states. Now, Manrega has been for many years, but the Modi government is on the side to, they are changing the names. And I can also say that one thing is the Modi government is expert on changing the names of everything. Like what the Modi government says is Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. But I can also say that what is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao? Has it been happening? All over the states, all over even in the mainland, everywhere in the northeast, there has been torture of our women everywhere. So when you say Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, why are you torturing the women? So in papers, in everything, whenever there is a truth, it doesn't come out. The national papers or anywhere, when the Congress is talking about the truth, it doesn't come out. But whenever anybody in the BJP government, when they do something, it's all flash up everywhere. I myself belong to the Northeast, and I know how my sisters and how I know where in every state how our women's, our childrens are suffering. And today, in every state in the Northeast, not only in the Northeast, even in the Central, we are all facing hundreds and thousands of problems, but it's not getting solved. And the Mahila Congress will take this Manrega Bachao Sangram from the state, from the district to the block and to the booth. We will take down this in the street, in the parliament. Mahila Congress will stand with the Manrega workers and will all stand for all the women of the Meghalaya people. We all belongs, we are all from the same states, and I could see there are lots of problems which the women are facing. Like when we talk about their Modi and when we talk about the BJP circle, I can see, look at the price high. Look at I think the women will know what is the price of LPG. I think we are the one who are suffering. Look at the price of the cooking oil. And just before any election, they will try to lower the price of LPG. So we've been fighting and we will continue to fight on this. And we will lead a peaceful democratic protest conduct awareness campaign in the district, in the block. And Mahila Congress will fight for all the women all over India. And empowering is not only slogan like Beti Bachao. It should be in reality. And when I look at the women who suffer at home, because when I ask any man today, anybody, they will not know what's the price of LPG. And if I ask the women who are sitting with me, they will know the price of LPG, they will know the price of cooking oil. So I feel that we women are the one who are suffering. And on the Manrega and whatever been like our leader Rahul Gandhi and Khageji has written on Manrega.
Di kaneka Mandreka asdang nadu atpos ne menchua da u Dr. Manmohan Singh ka government jeng u. But kaneka Mandreka ka day ba day ba kibriu kidek ban yohok ban trey. Kahok ban trey. Kamtam sa kinong kundong. Di habang ipit menta baka neka sarkar BJP pada kakwa ban pentelah. Ya kaneka Mandrika siya katuka viskit G-Ram G. Siya kata kipenbid ikibril ki ong in increase 125 days. Kani kada 100 days ki ong ban increase 125 days. Tangba. Kim ong pade kim pensai kibril bakan ya hakanu kadur. Pay ka Congress or bakawan rai kani ka Mandrega. You know ka Longyeng ka Don Hok ban yo kikam haki block kikam haki sinong kitao. Tegane ka Mandrega ru kalong ka Don Salon Sarha barok kuway ka ri India baraki rural areas cuma chanong kundong. Handai mentapat kane bakapen kane ka viskit Jiramji kalong ba Phim Don Hok Shuh jangan ikam ban pan kam mo. De Katba decide umodi hable kumta. De lada ka government jeng umodi ka ong ba hakane ka village neki rural areas kandon kata ka Mandreka bawa kan ka viskit ni kan ka spasni kan trekam kata timut kinjet deh umde bikin isolansar haman laki sinong kitau te kalong kata ka di ka jingya per mo te so ka baar pa de kalong ba ka hok jungpi bantre ka hok bantre asak kini no te menchua ki ai pidon ka hok bantre hande menta pimdon chu pimla ban pan ya kata jingsha pi lada neka umdon kam ula bandai kisnong kitau shaki rangpa kisnong ban pam kam telada bam ai hapok katan sngi kila ban pan ya kata kapisah idon hok ban yo kapisah de menta kam de chukumta menta pimdon hok shu ban pan ka kam ka jam lani kini chu rangpa kisnong baun ai pi kata ka kam ka jam kaba lai ru menta ki ong man kini no bandon kata ka hok no orang ba snong ban ai kita kikam kijam syaki pait ba menta ki ong ban ai no ban sublet no ban ai no contractors te contractor do yo e kata ka kam ban penyat ya kane ka spas ni te un pentrai ki kam la jong Ti haba dekat senong ka ai kan spas ni ki penyai ki pentrei ki kam surok ki pentrei ki kat baki don kam ha ka senong ka thau ke ki ba sngo ba ka de ban trei kan de ba pentrei mata da kane ka batmai ka at ka batmai ka biscuit jiram ji ka batmai kin I know she contractors but contractor on the side mau ya no un ai ka kam kumnok un pentrei kita ki kam kata ka de ka iu tinggal snow hang ni ba ki kamta me ki long kme kan kata shibun ba ki long kme jengi ki yo kam yo jam spok ki nong kendong ka de kan ki spasi kala ya rab ha spas ni sha kala ya rab ha ki nong kendong kamta me ki long kme dakane ki la ban penik skul ki kon dakane ki penyai ya kayin kasem handai da ki la syak kene no ya kata ka hok tengah tarai kilong kemeru kin jingjar mo ban penyai kayin kasem ban penik skul ikikun kamtam mentang ngendapek kaka jelajeng ibun la naki long yeng ba ke penyai ba ke dei ke single mother jengmut kahap ka long keme ka penyai ka pen shong skul ka pen late skul ka penyai kayin kasem marwai de ke bayarap ha habang ipet mangi kum kilong kme ngapet ba kaspasi ka dayarap shisha yaki de de kane ba mangi kum ki congress workers ni persyajur ba kim kane ka sarkar BJP kamde man kelai kane mandeka kata ka viskit ji ramji ni kwa bakan bu baik kum ka julong menchwa bagi beri jungi ki nyok ban nik tray ban nik ta bagi dala ban yo kam ka jam kumba julong kamde ki ban hai kini ki rule ka at ka batmai ba menta